Okay, in a combined variation, you have more than just the k and the x. You have a third variable. So you have direct and inverse both in there, okay? The owners of the Rollerblade Plus determine that the monthly sales S varies directly as their advertising A and inversely as the price P. So let's write our equation. So for part A, we have to write our equation. S varies directly as A and inversely as P. So there's my equation. Okay? Okay. So this says write an equation that describes the situation. To do that, I need to find K. Okay? When 60,000 is spent on advertising and the price is 40, okay? So 60,000 on advertising and the price is 40. The sales are 12,000. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do this division. What is 60,000 divided by 40? And I'm punching that in my calculator, even though I think it's 1,500. Yes. And then I have to divide both sides by 1,500 to find that K is 0.8. So for part A, my equation becomes S equals 0.8A over P. That is my answer to part A. Now part B says, let's go back over to the problem. What are the sales if the advertising budget is increased to 70? So A is increased to 70,000. So now we have S equals 0.8 times 70,000 divided by, and it didn't say the price is increased, so the price stays the same. So 0.8 times 70,000 divided by 40. So they would sell 1,400 pairs of skates. That would be their sales. One more problem. In joint variation, you have more than one variable in top. Okay? So here we go. The centrifugal force C of a body moving in a circle varies jointly. So I'm going to say C equals K times jointly with the radius R and the mass M. So the jointly ones are both on top. Okay? The jointly ones are both in the numerator. And inversely with the square of the time t. Okay? So a 6-gram body, so that's probably my mass, okay? Moving in a circle with a radius of 100. So my radius is 100. I'm going to have to move my 6 over a little bit so that I got room to write in here. At a rate of 1 revolution in 2 seconds, okay? So remember, time T has a centrifugal force of 6,000. Let's go ahead and simplify the left side, right side first. So 60,000, 6,000. Okay, 100 times 6 divided by 4 would be 150. Divide both sides by 150. And what do we get for K? 40. So now I know C equals 40 RM over T squared. Okay, so find the force, or C, if an 18-gram body moving in a circle with a radius of 100, 18 grams, and 1 revolution in 3 seconds. So 40 times 100 times 18 divided by 9. And I get 8,000, okay? And when you're talking about centrifugal force, they use the dynes, okay? And that ends the lecture for 3.7.